Hey there, future programmers, ready to blast off into the exciting universe of coding? We're going to explore a fantastic programming language called Java. Java is like a universal language for computers, and it's used everywhere. From your phone to giant servers, Java makes things happen. Learning Java is like getting a backstage pass to how software works. Once you learn the basics, you can create your own apps, games, and even websites. It's like having superpowers. So buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on an awesome adventure in the world of Java programming. Get ready to learn, explore, and create. Java is packed with superpowers that make it one of the most popular programming languages on the planet. One of the coolest things about Java is its write once, run anywhere ability. This means you can write your Java code once and it'll run smoothly on almost any computer. Java is also object-oriented, which helps you write organized and efficient code. Think of it like building with Legos. You create reusable blocks of code that fit together to create amazing things. Security is another one of Java's strengths. It's designed with features that help protect your programs from pesky bugs and security threats. Plus, Java is super scalable, meaning it can handle everything from small programs to massive applications used by millions of people. Before we launch into coding, we need the right tools. First up, we need the Java Development Kit, or JDK for short. The JDK is like our coding toolbox. It lets us write and run Java programs. Next, we can grab an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Think of an IDE as our coding command center. It makes writing, testing, and organizing our Java code super easy. IntelliJ IDEA is a fantastic IDE for Java. Installing the JDK and IntelliJ IDEA is a breeze. Just head over to their websites and follow the simple instructions. Once you have them set up, you're ready to start coding. Section 4. Hello world, your first Java program. Let's write our first Java program. It's a tradition to start with a program that prints hello world to the screen. Java public class, hello world, public static void main string args, systemout.println hello world. Don't worry too much about the details for now. Just know that this code tells the computer to print the message hello world. Copy and paste this code into IntelliJ IDEA and hit the run button. You'll see hello world displayed on your screen. Congratulations, you've just written your first Java program. Section 5. Keep on coding. Congratulations, you've taken your first steps into the exciting world of Java programming. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you code, the more you'll learn, and the more confident you'll become. There are tons of resources available online, from tutorials and videos to interactive coding challenges. So keep exploring, experimenting, and having fun with Java. You're on your way to becoming a coding superstar.